Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's a shop tour today. I know you're gonna love it. I have a lot of cool cars in the shop. We're gonna go check them out. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go take a tour. All right, I hope you liked that dyno pull. That was awesome. We are gonna go and take a look at that car. I wanna show the dyno cell for those of you who have not watched these videos. Then we have awesome vehicles all behind me. We also are gonna take a look at. Doug, walk over here. Let's walk over here. We're gonna try to make this kind of quick. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but awesome GT500, over 700 roll horsepower. It's an 08. This car is under 3,000 miles. It's sick. But we have the Whipple. It's the Whipple supercharger with a 3.25 pulley, 15 pounds of boost. I'm going to do a video on this car this week. But they got the JLT air intake, Detroit rocker cams, Cook's headers, killer setup, 700 roll horsepower. Might as well go look at the graph. Come here, Dan. So check this out. Our dyno cell, we use a DynoJet in-ground 224X, if you ever wondered. Most every video you see on the Mustangs here, or F-150s, we rate everything DynoJet, SAE, roll horsepower. The baby just laid down 718 roll horsepower at 6,400. Torque comes in at 666 at 40, basically 4,500 RPM. But you know, we're over 600 all the way across the board. I love that. But it's our dyno cell here. So a lot of you ask, you know, hey, will you tune my car? But what a lot of people don't understand is we do have a DynoJet, we do have tuning capabilities, but this is used for the cars we build here at Brenspeed. And kind of once we show you a tour, you'll understand that like all these cars we're building do make their way in here to get tuned. So we don't just do like tuning only. And I know it's disappointing to a lot of you out there, and I wish I had 2 dynos and 2 of me or whatever, but it's booked every single day on cars that we build. So you bring your car in here, you get it built, you want on the dyno, we do have slots for that, but not just for someone that builds their car and wants to come and get tuning. There are shops out there that do that, and that's awesome. Just not our business model, because it's just booked every single day. Doug, let's walk out here, look through the shop. Awesome stuff today out here. So first up, okay, we just looked at the 08 GT500, now we have a 21 500. Awesome car, I love these. If you search around our channel, you'll find some videos that we've done on these where we've done turbo or just kind of comparing these versus a GT350 with a Whipple. You know, what's your favorite? But all we're doing to this one right here is some very basic mods. JLT air induction system, smaller pulley, larger injectors, custom tune. The car is going to be awesome. Let's just take a look. Might as well, Doug. The old GT500 right here. I love it. You know what's really cool about these? They still do the old nameplate where someone gets to sign it, hand built with pride. That's awesome. Something Ford does. You don't see that on a lot of other vehicles. Let's go over here. Next up, our GT350 just arrived. And of course, Whipple supercharger. You know, my favorite mod on the GT350, Whipple supercharger. It's not on there yet. We'll install this, I believe, the end of next week. We're starting to take it apart. Probably doing like oil pump gears, cooling mods. That's pretty standard. Get all that knocked out and then put the Whipple on when it's time next week. Let's just take a look. Because I like this because it's a cool engine compartment. I mean, this isn't just stock. It's got a lot of custom stuff. Nice painting on all this. This is cool. The brace is awesome. So definitely the coil cover. Someone spent some time to make this car look killer. I absolutely love it. You may be wondering, like, what the hell is that? Well, guess what? That's mine. So 79 Trans Am. I've had that car for about 9 years. I'm not even going to go into detail on it or what is going on over here. You'll get your mind blown. Don't worry, I'll do a video on it. But it's under the hood is not what you think. Probably break the internet when that video comes out. But it's a 79 TA. I had it in the pole building. Had a bunch of parts in the warehouse, had no engine in it, and we put something together. So stay tuned, subscribe and notify to check that out in the future. But it's a cool car. I'm gonna get some mullet wigs off Amazon, some wife beaters, pick up my buddies, and we're gonna go cruising in that thing. It's gonna be awesome. But let's go check out some of those cool cars. Over here, another GT500. So we just finished the one you saw in the Dyno cell with the Detroit rocker cams, and now we have another one, but this isn't the Whipple. It has a stock supercharger. This is really cool to look at. So stock supercharger in a 2.6 pulley. We are doing the rocker cams. It's going to be a sweet setup, but this is neat for you to look at. If you watch some of the other videos, you might have seen this before, but this is how we install the camshafts. You have to drop the engine out the bottom of the car. It's a huge pain to do it from the top. It's way easier and it's more efficient just to drop the engine down. Come over here, take a look. So you got the old sweet GT500 engine right here, and then we dropped it down, and then we're gonna install the camshafts, and then it'll go back up in, and essentially we're gonna put a tune on the car, JLT 2.6 pulley rocker cams. And then we'll also need to align the car, because when you take all the suspension off, your alignment's off, so we'll have to do that. Get this thing tuned. Of course, probably see a video on this car as well in the future, because these are awesome. A couple other cool things to look at over here real quick. Now I know you've seen this Cobra in a prior video, but here's an update. So sometimes you watch these shop tours, you might see a vehicle in that you've seen before. Well, it's because of part delays. We've been waiting for months on the control packs for the Gen 3 Coyote automatic, which is what we have in this right here. So I think it's a 96 Cobra, Gen 3 Coyote, 10-speed automatic. Everything's installed. The headers are in, it's ready to rock. What we're doing right now is we're starting to install the control pack. They just came in like this week. We were waiting on two of them. One for this, one for a 65 Mustang I'll show you in a minute. But that was like the big holdup on these. So this car is really close to being finished. And it's going to be a really cool video when we get it wrapped up. It's going to be a fun car. Look at this right here. 21, all right, 21 F250, 7.3 Godzilla. It's got a surprise under here. So look at this, Doug. This is a killer truck right here. This just came in for some maintenance, a little bit of checkup of something he had going on. We did not build this truck. This truck is sick. It's got a surprise under the hood. Doug, take a look. So we got the 7.3 engine, killer setup, pro charger. You're gonna have to put that camera way up in there to look down in, but this is sweet. So, we work on all types of vehicles here, and this is one as well. But it's got the pro charger in there. He had a couple small issues pop up and called us and said, hey, is this something you can take care of? We said, yeah, we think we can. So we're gonna try to get this solved for him, do maybe a little maintenance while it's here. But let's go back in this corner over here. We do some of the custom builds. And check out the 65 Mustang. Give you a little bit of update on that. Doug, follow me. Love this 65 Gen 3 Coyote. You gotta love it. We've been waiting on the control pack to come in on this. We have added some more mods to this, probably since the last time you saw it. But look inside. Look inside here. The interior's still going back together, but this thing is completely coated. And the Kilomat, we're trying to get all the sound out of the car. I think this thing has like 3 layers of that in there. Trying to make it as quiet as possible. And we have that finished. Now we're gonna start putting the interior back in. But I do want to come up here and take a look at the engine. Follow me. Gen 3 Coyote. All right, we're waiting on the control pack. 10-speed auto. Check this out. ESS supercharger. This is a new addition. We're making some plumbing for it. Kind of hard to fit in, but we're getting it fit in this, and that's the type of stuff we can do here at Brenspeed. It doesn't have to be like a part for the car. We can make things work. So we're building some plumbing right now for the intercooler. We have the supercharger on. We're gonna get that wrapped up. Now we have the control pack finally. We can get everything wired and keep moving forward on this. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching. You can email quote@brenspeed.com, whether you have like a Mustang or F-150 or Camaro, who knows what's it cost to get built. That's how you solve that. We're located in Indiana. Our number is 574-594-9559. You can get on our website, brenspeed.com, check it out. Most of the parts that I showed you around here, we do try to keep in stock, and we can ship right to your door. Thank you so much for watching. Again, subscribe, notify, stay up to date, leave that comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.